let us discuss more about electrical energy. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, अगर किसी कंडक्टर के अक्रॉस वी पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस किसी टाइम इंटरवल टी के लिए अप्लाई किया जाए तो उस कंडक्टर के थ्रू एक करंट फ्लो करने लगती है और करंट के फ्लो करने के कारण उस कंडक्टर में जो पावर डिसिपेट होता है, अगर वो पावर लगातार कंटिन्यूअस टी टाइम इंटरवल तक डिसिपेट हो तो कंडक्टर धीरे धीरे उस पावर को डिसिपेट करते करते अपने अंदर हीट प्रोड्यूस कर लेता है। कहने का मतलब पावर डिसिपेशन को क्रिएट करने के लिए एनर्जी की आवश्यकता होती है, या यूँ कहा जाए द पावर डिसिपेटेड अक्रॉस द कंडक्टर थ्रू आउट द कंडक्टर इज measured by the rate of doing the work by the electric current during flowing through the conductor. It means when suppose that this is a conductor and the resistance of this conductor is R, and at an instant of time it is found that the current flowing through the conductor is I and the potential difference applied across this conductor is V. So the power dissipated across this circuit is V into I, as we have discussed it earlier in our previous lecture, and we got that the electrical power dissipated in an conductor which contains a current I flowing through itself, and this current is flowing through the conductor when there is a potential difference of V volt applied across the terminal of the conductor. So the power can be defined as the product of the potential difference applied across the conductor multiplied by the current flowing through the conductor. So if this power is dissipated continuously for a time interval t, then the total energy which can be produced in the form of heat in the wire, in the conductor, will be given by the formula, that is H. This is the electrical energy. This is equal to P dot T. It means V I into T. Okay, so as we know that this is the electrical energy, and we well know that the unit of the energy is joule. So this is the electrical energy, so its unit is also joule. So the unit of H, the formula of H is VIT, and the unit of H is joule. Okay, from here we can say that this is volt ampere second. Volt ampere second, this is the unit. Volt ampere, that is watt, and watt second, that is joule. So the unit of H is joule, or you can write it as watt second. Okay, joule can be represented by a particular symbol capital J. So if we put the value of this V in the form of IR, then we get another formula for H, that is heat produced or electrical energy dissipated across this conductor is I into R dot I into T. So the total energy dissipated in the conductor in time interval T is I square RT. So this is another formula for the calculation of electrical heat or electrical energy. Similarly, if we replace this I by Ohm's law as V by R, then H can also be written as V dot V by R dot T. So this becomes V square by R into T. Okay, so this is also another formula for the electrical energy. Now, as we know that the unit of H is joule, but there is a particular another unit of the electrical energy that can be used as the commercial unit of electrical energy. The commercial unit of electrical energy is unit. This is simply known as unit. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and 1 unit can be explained as the 1 kilowatt hour. 1 किलोवाट आवर मतलब अगर किसी कंडक्टर के थ्रू एक बोल्ट या यूँ कहा जाए 1000 बोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई कर दिया जाए, ध्यान दीजिएगा, अगर इस कंडक्टर के अक्रॉस 1000 बोल्ट 1000 बोल्ट का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई कर दिया जाए और इतना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अप्लाई करने के बाद यदि इस कंडक्टर के थ्रू फ्लो होने वाली करंट का मान 1 एम्पियर हो, तब अगर ये 1 एम्पियर की करंट कंटिन्यूअसली इस कंडक्टर के अक्रॉस 1 आवर तक फ्लो होती रहे तो इस कंडक्टर में जो हीट इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी हीट के रूप में कन्वर्ट होगा, वो इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी का मान 1 यूनिट या 1 kWh कहलाएगा. It means 1 kWh kilowatt hour means kilo means 1000, so this becomes 1000 watt, and hour 1 hour is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So this watt second becomes joule. So 1 kWh equal to 60 into 60 means 3600. So this becomes 3600 and 000 from here. So this becomes itna watt second. Watt second means joule. So if we write it in the scientific notation, then we get 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. So one can say that the commercial unit of the electrical energy, the commercial unit of the electrical energy is 1 kWh, or it is simply known as 1 unit of electrical energy, and its value is 3.6 into 10 to power 6 joule. Okay, so you can and your family can pay your electricity bill in the form of kWh. If you consume 1 kWh energy, electrical energy in your home, then you can pay 5 to 10 rupees as per decided by the government. So this is the price of the electrical energy which can be used by different persons in their homes. So okay, these are the basic concepts of electrical energy. You can solve different numerical problems based on the formula H equal to VIT, also H equal to I square RT, and also H equal to V square by R into T. So solve all these numerical problems based on these formula given in your chapter and textbook. Okay, this is all about today's topic. Tomorrow we will discuss the circuit, that is how we can create a particular wiring in our house. So we will discuss it tomorrow. Till now, take care. Thank you.